Alright bros, here we go again. Just got my 6th iPhone from Swappie. Yeah, I'm kinda addicted at this point. This time I went for the cheapest iPhone 13 mini on Swappie's website. Well, almost the cheapest though, because there was a blue one about 10 bucks cheaper, but nah, I had to go with the midnight black. So here it is, I snagged it during their Black Friday deal for 339 euros, and I also added Swappie Care for $3.99 a month. Honestly, no clue what it is or if it's worth it, but we will figure that out. Quick disclaimer guys, Swappie has no idea who I am and I paid for this phone out of my own pocket. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get into this unboxing. The package is a bit bigger than usual because they also sent me a trading kit. I'm thinking about selling my iPhone 15 Pro to Swappie, but I'm not totally sure yet. If I do, I will make a video about it. Anyways, let's move this aside. Okay, we got a thank you letter here, but no coupon, unfortunately, just a very nice white box. I must say Swappie's packaging game is on point here, kinda adds a premium vibe. Oh, and they even label it with the phone model, which is pretty cool. So mine is the base model in midnight black, refurbished by Swappie in Tallinn. Alright, let me zoom in a little bit so you can see better. We got clear tape on both sides of the box, so let me grab my special Fox Karambit knife to cut it open. This is it guys, the moment of truth. Was the gamble on the fair condition worth it? And straight off the box, damn, it's looking gorgeous. That midnight black color, man. It's shiny and so clean. The back looks fantastic, no dings, no scratches, nothing. Let me wipe it down a little bit. And I know it's hard to tell on camera, but honestly, I'm super happy with how it looks, at least from the back. Now I'm kinda scared to turn it over. Please don't be scratched, please don't be scratched. Oh, dang it! This scratch is deep. I thought I got lucky with the fair condition. Okay, so the screen definitely has got some wear, as you can probably tell. There's one deep scratch right here. It really pops when the light hits it. And yeah, a few smaller scratches and scuffs here and there. Let me grab a flashlight so I can show you. Okay, the camera can't focus, but you get the idea. Alright, let's check the sides now. Tiny rock chips here and there, but honestly nothing crazy. And the lightning port, nice and clean. Before we power it on, let's see what else is in the box. And well, there's not much, just a USB-A to lightning cable, and yeah, that's it. So the setup was super smooth, Face ID and all of that is working perfectly. And yeah, I'm actually gonna daily this thing, so stay tuned for some 13 mini content coming up. I'm just really hoping that the battery health is gonna be good, so let's just go ahead and check the battery health now. Because let's be real, this phone is tiny and yeah, 85% health. That's actually not that great because I had a 13 mini before, and honestly this is not gonna last a full day, at least not with how I use the phone. Let's double check that with the Coconut battery app. Alright, so here we go. The app says the health is at 86.9% and the cycle count is at 593 cycles, which basically means the battery is ready to be swapped out. Alright, dishwasher test attempt number 1. Let's place the iPhone 13 mini in the dishwasher for 15 minutes and see what happens. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. Let's check the phone. Okay, so far so good. Yeah, Face ID is working fine. Touchscreen's working fine. Everything checks out. If this phone has been repaired before, looks like they did a good job. Okay, next, let's do some quick tests to make sure everything else is working as it should. First up, the speaker test. Speakers are nice and loud. Let's compare it to my 15 Pro. And apart from a bit more bass on the 15 Pro, it actually doesn't sound too different. Okay, now let's do a quick camera test just to make sure they work. Both are working fine, no complaints here. Alright, so for gaming, yeah, it handles games just fine, but let's be real, this 5.4-inch screen isn't exactly ideal for it. I mean, it's a mini, so you're probably not buying this for hardcore gaming anyway. That said, at least the touch inputs are super responsive, which is always great to see on a used phone because you never know if the screen was replaced or not. I have mentioned Swappie Care in the beginning and you are probably wondering what the heck is Swappie Care. Honestly, I'm still figuring it out myself, but from what I get, if you are not happy with your phone anymore, Swappie gives you a coupon for 90% of what you paid. Then you order a new phone from them and once it arrives, you send the old one back. So, would I keep this phone? Hell yeah, man, I'm keeping this phone, but mostly just because that midnight black is looking so good. But seriously, 339 euros for this phone is a solid deal. Yeah, the display is a bit rough, but you know what? I'm keeping it anyway. Don't forget to subscribe for more tests with the iPhone 13 mini and I'll catch you in the next one.